here we go. This is number 3, 2021 full-size lids. I want to say like series. Oh, I don't know. What series? I'll let it say on the box. 5 times. We'll see what number we're getting here. 5 times for the 5 times. Once, twice. 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and number 7. All right, lucky number 7. Lucky number 7. All right. All right, number 7. Full size thing. Okay. I gotta take down the bat on eBay still. I still gotta take that down. All right, number 7. Be back in 5 seconds. Number 7. It is series 11. Series 11. Alright, feeling the heater. Jeff 2, Matt 1, Chief Keef 1, AJ, Clark, Jared, Nate, Matt C 2, Nate Maxon 3, Chuck 5, Jeff Britt 2, Derek 2, Matt C 2, Matt Man, Nate, and Dallas with 4. Alright guys, good luck. Make sure you stick around. We got baseball bat. We got another premium pack working as well. Alright, once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. And Nate Maxon, you're on top. Chuck's on the bottom. 5 times there. Alright. Alright, AJ Saints, Chuck, Ravens, Texans, Yaks, Chargers, Skins, Clark, Bears, Dallas, Bills, Raiders, Rams, Bucks. Derek Fulmer, Falcons, Patriots, Jared McCase, Dolphins, Jeff Britt, Cowboys, Lions, Chiefs, Vikings, Chief Keef, Broncos, Matt C, Bengals, Colts, Jets, Steelers, Matt Mann, Niners, Seahawks, Matt K, Browns, Nate, Panthers, Titans, Nate Maxon, Cardinals, Packers, Giants, Eagles. Alright. Any trades, guys? Have at it. Have at it. I'm just going to bring this down for 1 second. I'll put it up in 1 minute. Any trades, guys, let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Lines up. $58. $60, $62, $63, $62. Alright guys, full send. Full senders. $23.30. Alright, so everything's updated on eBay. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, let me get rid of that list. Baseball bat's up next, guys. Baseball bat will be next. It is a brand new case on that. Alright, let's see. 7 out of 25. Very good. Alright, sealed up. Sealed up. Sealed up. Alright, guys, good luck. Alright. We've still yet to hit. We've only done 3, but we haven't hit any of the pictures posted. We haven't hit, but it is a Chiefs Mikael Hardman Jr. Speed Authentic. Mikael Hardman Jr. for the Chiefs. P Sports. RS061899. So we've yet to hit any of the ones I took pictures of, but very nice lid there. I'm telling you guys, this series is stacked. Stacked, stacked, stacked. There's 12 pictures on the site and on Facebook of the headliners. We've done 3 so far, so you guys know I think 12 or 14 of the 21 left. Nice for the Chiefs. Nice clean lid there. Nice clean lid there. Kansas City Chiefs. Very nice, KC Chiefs. Jeff Grit. Alright, Jeff Grit. There you go, man. Very good. Very nice, man. 5 times. Top spot. Thanks, Nick. 5 times. Once, twice, 3 times, 4 times. 5 times. And Dallas. Dallas. Free spot for you, man. Number 3. There's 3 full-size lid. Okay. Alright, good stuff there, guys. Baseball bats up next. Every night, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Never miss a live break. Please subscribe and turn on notifications. Appreciate it. Have a good one. Thank you.